This is Pete Williams. Federal law gives the president wide latitude to declare a national emergency, even for something that's not really a crisis. It's what he wants to do with that authority that will bring the legal fights. There has to be a close fit between the nature of the emergency and the powers the president invokes to deal with it. The ACLU says tonight it will sue, claiming President Trump cannot use the Pentagon's money for a non-military purpose, given that U.S. troops are not allowed to conduct civilian law enforcement like Border Patrol. But some legal experts say when Congress voted this week to provide some money for the border wall, it will undercut another potential claim that he's spending money for something Congress doesn't want.
The president will be able to say in response, well, that's not quite true. Congress did, in fact, authorize me to build a barrier. They just didn't give me all the money I need to do it.
The legal battles will last at least a year and probably wind up in the Supreme Court with a decision during the 2020 campaign. Pete Williams, NBC News, Washington.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.